Hi, my name is Ashish Kumar Kesi. My student ID is 1913531. Now I am going to present my poster, Control Techniques and Project Management Approach. Here the part introduction. The presentation deals with the evaluation of the theoretical approaches like Agile, Waterfall, Prince 2 and Lean approach, and control techniques like critical path method, Gantt chart, uh, Gantt chart, stakeholder management and project scope. The aim of this project management is evaluated and create an understanding of these elements of project management. Project management approaches. Waterfall approach. This approach is more suitable where the requirements from top management to the base management and then on the employees with a minimal or no contact with other stakeholders or customers, and the requirements are usually transmitted through organization members indirectly. The major issue with this approach is that it is not able to ensure quickly of the stakeholders' requirement changes uh, till the completion of the project. Another approach is Agile approach. Agile has more emphasis on the people, while Waterfall approach has more emphasis on the process, and thus Agile approach is more customer centric than Waterfall approach. In case of Agile approach, time, cost and quality are fixed or constant, but but the scope is expected to change, while in case of traditional approach like waterfall, scope is constant while time, cost and partially the quality are variables as shown in the figure. And another approach is Prince 2 approach. In this approach, cost versus benefit is scrutinized in each stage, while in Agile cost is estimated. The focus is on the deliverables within the cost. Prince 2 is generally medium to large sized project, while Agile is for small and medium sized project. And now I am going to control techniques. There are some points for control techniques. Number one, critical path analysis. Critical path analysis can be useful in the determination of longest duration of the project and the activities involved in the critical path, which are known as the critical activities. Any delay in the critical activities will delay the project. Another point is project scope management. The scope management includes the authorization of scope statement, which defines the boundaries of the work in the project, dividing the work into small manageable components along with the deliverables, verification of the planned work, and specifies scope change control procedure. Another point is Gantt chart. Gantt chart can be used for the project scheduling and are used for communicating with the team with regard to what has to be done within the given period of time and indicates the time duration of each activity along with the start and finish timelines. And another point is risk assessment. It can be considered as the process of identifying, analyzing, and preparing of responding to the various project risk. This is an important strategy in the project management, since mismanagement of risk can be cause project delay and increase project cost. At last, another one point, stakeholders planning and communication. Stakeholders are those who have vested interest in the project, like client, project manager, uh, project sponsor, government authorities, etc. Stakeholders should be identified in the project communication plan so that there is no confusion and conflicts. Input from the project stakeholder can help in successful execution of the project. Now I'm going to conclusion of this poster. The analysis of the project management approach In comparison to the waterfall approach, agile approach is used in case of changing requirements or where there is increased competition in the product field and any new features are required to be implemented as soon as possible. Prince 2 is generally for medium to large sized projects, while Agile is for small and medium sized projects. Key control techniques necessary for managing the project outcome and per project outcome can be used for scheduling, defining work scope, identifying and managing risk, and communicating stakeholders. Thank you.